Sorry for the lighting. It's the first evening of it's the evening of the first day of the workshops. Um, we had a really good session this morning, so we sat around and had an opening circle, and that was really important to get people to check in and see where they were at regarding being here and what they would like to, what would they expect to get from it, and what they would look forward to maybe experiencing. So that was good. And then following on from that, we did a sketching using our feet, really getting into kind of making ourselves aware that bonobos use their feet pretty much as hands. So we kind of did a workshop to get people a bit more connected to their feet, and it was interesting how people started to work out that they were left-handed, left or right-footed, based on how good they could write and draw. So that was really interesting. And then after that, we did the Arsamadi workshop, which was about getting people to understand how to use touch in the following Bonobo workshop. So it was a preparation workshop to get people to understand how to interact with one another for the workshop that's coming up, which was the Bonobo birthing ritual. Then that happened in the afternoon, and that was really successful. That people really enjoyed it, and they said that it kind of flowed really well, and there was enough time to experience everything. And then we had a couple of occasions where Cherish, Running Water, and myself sat down and we discussed what we could do to develop it. So we're thinking of maybe tomorrow having it so that people give birth, they go through the process of giving birth, whilst simultaneously in another room other people are going through the birthing process in the womb. So they'll happen simultaneously, and then once the bonobo mothers have given birth and the fetuses have been born, we'll reunite them, or we'll bring them into the same space, and they'll be able to interact together like that. So that's an interesting development from where we've been before with that. So that'll raise the bar, and it'll also enable us to use different spaces and associate different rooms with different aspects of the work. So that was really good. And then we talked a little bit about age and how in straight and gay culture, age is a difficult thing to deal with for oneself, because you start to feel less attractive. Youth is always seen as very attractive, and where do people that are getting older fit in? So we talked about maybe having trump cards where bonobo people can be assigned a specific bonobo that has different attributes, maybe strength, dominance, passiveness, meekness, gender, all of those things, and of course age. So that was something that was really important that came out of that. And then we just talked a little bit more about the chimp and the bonobo workshop and how that would formulate for it to work well. So we've kind of come up with two spaces. One will be chimp space, one will be bonobo space, and throughout the workshop people will go from being the dominant male to the submissive female in a bonobo tribe, and get to the top being dominant female, and then go to the bottom of the chimp tribe, and then ascend to being the dominant male, and it will kind of go in that sort of figure of 8. So we're going to be working on those two things tomorrow and see how they go. So that's really something to look forward to, and I'm pleased that we're having this retreat. It's really brought some good things up, and I feel that as a group, we can certainly make this happen outside of a test arena, something that is real, that I think we can really hold it and make sure that people experience what it is that we're trying to offer or that we are offering. So yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow, and yeah, it's brilliant. Thank you.